Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter our settings and go to Biometrics and Password. Enter lock screen password. And now, as you can see, we've got first type of lock screen, which is 6-digit PIN. Let's type it. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's select next lock screen, which is 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Now we can skip 4-digit and custom PIN because they are basically the same as this 6-digit PIN but with different length. So let's go to password. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select pattern. Once we've done it, we can also add fingerprint and use it to unlock the phone. Our fingerprint sensor is right here at the bottom of the screen. And the last way to unlock the phone is face recognition. Scan your face in this area. My face is already scanned, so let's use it to unlock the phone. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.